Welcome to Carpet Man Perth repairs. My name is Ricky. Accidents happen, and often on your carpet, which cannot just be wiped off like tiles, and sometimes the stains are too severe for cleaning. Burn marks from irons, hair curlers, we must do at least 2 to 3 of these per week. Pet damage is probably our highest of inquiries: worn or frayed sections, pot plants, angry Rottweilers, scratching cats, hamsters. We even had a snake that got stuck under the carpet. The carpet can be invisibly mended, you just need to have a piece of the same carpet slightly bigger than the damaged piece. We usually cut a piece from a wardrobe and use this, and it comes out great if the existing carpet is the same. We cut out a section carefully and insert a piece with adhesive or hot iron. This is ideal, especially tenants who need to get their bond back, or homeowners, real estate agents. The difference, by using a professional carpet repair service in Perth as just using a carpet layer. We have all the latest irons and tools to insert the smallest of pieces of carpet into the damaged section. All our carpet repairs are matched, and we always use a carpet seam sealer to make sure they do not fray. All work is carried out by the owner-operator using the highest grade adhesives and tapes, ensuring they won't pull up even after powerful vacuums used on them after your carpet has been repaired. All our carpet repairs come with a warranty, depending on the quality of the carpet, normally 2 years. We accept all types of payments, and we carry mobile EFTPOS on board. Why not try Carpet Man Perth on your next carpet repair? We have a saying round here: the very best carpet repairs always seem to go unnoticed.